Thunder often follows lightning. Lightning makes a lot of super hot air that shakes up the cool air around it. The moving air makes sounds that echo from the sky. Boom, kaboom. Did we see that and did we hear it? Let's do it one more time. If you hear thunder right after you see lightning, it means that the lightning is very close by. If you see the flash and hear the thunder a bit later, the lightning is farther away. So what does it mean if you hear thunder right after a flash of lightning? What does that mean? It means that the lightning is very close. So lightning is dangerous, so people should not be outside during a thunderstorm. Luckily, meteorologists can usually tell us when the thunderstorm is coming. A thunderstorm is headed our way. It will be here in an hour. Stay inside until it has passed. So what should you do if you hear that a thunderstorm is coming? You should stay inside. Why should you do this? Because it's safer. Meteorologists know about all kinds of storms. A tornado is a column of twisting air that stretches from a cloud to the ground. It has extremely strong winds. Hurricanes are large, swirling storms that form over the ocean in places where the weather is warm. They have very strong winds and can create big waves. From high above the earth, a hurricane looks like this. This is what it looks like when we see it in space. Sometimes big winds kick up so much dust or sand that the swirling stuff looks like a cloud. We call that a dust storm. A blizzard is a big winter storm that creates a lot of snow. It's hard to get around when the snow is deep. How are a tornado and a hurricane alike? And how are they different? Let's open up the tornado again. A tornado is a column of twisting air that stretches from a cloud to the ground. It has extremely strong winds. And a hurricanes are large swirling storms that form over the ocean in places where the weather is warm. They have very strong winds and can create big waves. So a tornado and a hurricane together, they have the same type of winds. They have strong winds. It's just that a tornado is formed from a cloud to the ground, and a hurricane is swirling in the ocean. It's something that starts in the ocean. That's how they're different. Storms are interesting. They can be exciting too, but the best place to be during a storm is inside, where it's warm, safe, and dry. The end. So let's talk about some questions. What are some things different kinds of storms can produce? What kinds of storms have you been through? And what were they like? If you are with your parent or with a sibling, go ahead and talk about these questions right here. Put this page on pause and discuss these questions right here with your parent or with a sibling, a brother or sister, whoever is with you.